औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. This is the third ruku of Surah Baqarah. Let's get started. Ya ayyuha means O. Ya ayyuha means O. An-nas, the whole mankind. An-nas means the people or the mankind. Ubudu is order given to plural. Ubud, you one person worship. Ubud means you one worship. Ubudu, you all. Waw alif makes it plural. You all people worship. Ya Yohannasu, O people, Ubudu, O mankind, Ubudu, you all may worship Rabbakum. Rabbakum is addition of two words, Rabba plus Kum. Rabb means Lord, Kum means your. Rabb means Lord. Kum is attached pronoun, your. Your Lord, Allazi. Who is your Lord? Allazi, the one who. Khalaqakum. Khalaqakum is again addition of two words. Khalaqa plus kum. Khalaqa is past tense. Kum means your. This is again attached pronoun. Let's make the series of attached pronoun. Attached pronoun starts from who. Who means his. Its plural part will be whom. Whom means their. Feminine part will be ha. Ha means her. And its plural will be hunna. Hunna means their. But this there is for feminine. Now second person will be, this was third person. Second person will be ka. Ka means your. Its plural part will be kum. Kum means your, but this your is for all. Its feminine part will be ki. Ki means your, but this your is for feminine. And its plural part will be kunna. Kunna means your, but this your is for feminine. First part will be ya, ni, and na. Ya and ni, they both give the meaning of me, my, or mine. And na gives the meaning of us. Us. Okay. So here he created you. Kha will be the root word. He created kum, you. Wallazina. Wa means and. Allazina means those all who. And those who were min qabl. Min plus qabl. From before. Min qabl means from before, or we can say before. Min and qabl we will add and we can say before. Min qabl. Min qabl means before. And those who were before, kum is again attached pronoun, you. La'allakum. La'allakum is addition of two words, la'alla plus kum. La'alla means so that. La'alla means so that. So that kum, you, tattaqoon. Ta and waw noon. This ta and waw noon will give the meaning of you all. This taqwa word comes here. You all may be righteous or may be pious or God conscious people. So that you all may be God conscious people. O mankind, you all worship your Lord, the one who he created you, and those who were before you. Your Lord is the one who he created you, as well as those people who were before you, so that you all may be, if you will worship your Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, then you may be righteous or God conscious people, so that you all may be pious people or God conscious people. Allazi, this is again Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is talking about himself only. Allazi, the one who. Ja'ala, he has made. Lakum, Ja'ala is past tense. Let's make it series. Ja'ala, he, one person made. Ja'ala means he made. He made. Ja'alu, they all made. Ja'alat means she made. Ja'alna means they all feminine made. Second person will be Ja'alta. Ja'alta means you made something, and its plural part will be Ja'altum means you all made something, and its feminine part will be Ja'alti means you one feminine made something, and its plural part will be Ja'altunna means you all feminine made something. Then its first person will be Ja'altu. Ja'altu means I made something. I made something, and its plural part will be Ja'alna means we made something. So here he made lakum. La means for, kum means you. This is attached pronoun. For you. Al-ard. Alif lam will give the meaning of the ard. Ard means earth. The earth. Firasha as resting place. Firasha means resting place. Earth means earth. Farsh. Firasha will give the meaning of farsh means resting place. The earth as resting place. Wassama, and alif lam again gives the meaning of the sama, the sky. Bina'an. Bina'an means canopy. Bina'an means canopy. Wa anzala, and anzala, he sent down. Minas samai, from the sky. And he sent down. Who sent down? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent down from the sky ma'an, water. Fa akhraja, fa means then. Fa means then. Akhraja, he brought forth or he brought out. Be he. By it. This he goes to water. By it, by the water. Minas sama, minas samarat. Min means from. As samarat means all the kinds of fruits. Rizqan, as a provision. Lakum, for you. For Allah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala descended water from the sky. Then through that water he brought out many fruits as a provision for us, for people. For Allah, for means then, la means not. Then not. Taj'alu, ta, then not. Taj'alu, you all make. Then not you all make. Lillah, lillah is addition of two words. Li plus Allah. Lillah, he means lillah is addition of li plus Allah. For Allah. For Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. For Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Andada. Andada means rivals. Andad ki andada, rivals. Wa antum, and antum, you. Ta'alamun, ta and waw nun will give the meaning of you all. Alama means to know. Ain, lam, mim is the root word, means to know. And you all know it. Okay, let's repeat these words. Ya ayyuhan nasu, O mankind, you all worship. This is order. It is given to plural people. Order series we have not yet done. After some time we will be doing that series also. Worship Rabbakum, your Lord, the one who he has created you and those who were before you, so that you all may be pious people or God conscious people. Allazi, the one who, this is the definition of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is defining himself only. The one who ja'ala, he has made for you the earth as a resting place. Wasamai, and the sky as a canopy. And he sent down from the sky, and he sent down from the sky, or he descended from the sky, ma'an, sent down from the sky water, for akhraja, then he brought forth by it of the fruits as a provision for you. Fala, so not you all make, or not you all set rivals for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So not you all make for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala rivals. Wa antum ta'lamun, and you all know this. So okay, so this was for today. This is verse number 20 and 21. This is third ruku. Wa akhiru dawana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.